DJ NEGUS. Big up yourself, large up DJ Trey, DJ TUFFY from Dragon Eye Sound. Yo, Toronto, Canada, big up on yourself, large. You don't know, this is the original Mad Stunt Man from real to real. Mr. I like to move it, move it. You don't know, come with it, selector, we have no time for waste. Our girls, Dragon Eye Sound wants you to move it. That's right. Hear this. Move it. Dragon Eye likes to move it, move it. Dragon Eye likes to move it, move it. Dragon Eye likes to move it, move it. All the girls tell them move it. Dragon Eye likes to move it, move it. Dragon Eye likes to move it, move it. Dragon Eye likes to move it, move it. All the girls tell them move it. Dragon Eye likes to move it, move it. Dragon Eye likes to move it, move it. Dragon Eye likes to move it, move it. All the girls tell them move it. Dragon Eye likes to move it, move it. Dragon Eye likes to move it, move it. Dragon Eye likes to move it, move it. All the girls tell them move it. All sounds all over the world. Original Dragon Eye Sound for the kids, man. I love how Dragon Eye Sound and play the music. How when they play the music, they play it nice and sweet and fantastic. Dragon Eye good when them play the music. Original Dragon Eye physically fit. I said them good when them play the music. Original Dragon Eye physically. I said them musically fit. Musically fit. Musically. I said them musically fit. Musically fit. Big ship on the ocean, that's a big Titanic. I said them musically fit. Musically fit. Musically. I said them musically fit. Musically fit. Big ship on the ocean, that's a big Titanic. Yo, Dragon Eye Sound, big up on yourself. All girls that follow Dragon Eye Sound, where you go hear them say? Dragon Eye likes to move it, move it. Dragon Eye likes to move it, move it. Dragon Eye likes to move it, move it. All the girls tell them move it. Dragon Eye likes to move it, move it. Dragon Eye likes to move it, move it. Dragon Eye likes to move it, move it. All the girls tell them. When I say dragon, you say I. Dragon, dragon. When I say dragon, you say I. Dragon, dragon. When I say move, you say it. Move, move. When I say move, you say it. Move. Dragon Eye good when them play the music. Original Dragon Eye physically better say them good when them play the music. All girls that follow Dragon Eye, eyeliner. When they submit them with up those powder. When they submit them with up look your eyebrow. When they submit them with up got the lipstick. When they submit them, woman you nice broad face and you nice hip. Make them flip and most of them lip. Woman you nice and you energetic. Bitch up on the yacht and that's a big Titanic. Woman you nice broad face and you nice hip. Make them flip and most of them lip. Woman you nice and you energetic. Bitch up on the yacht and that's a big Titanic. Dragon Eye likes to move it, move it. Dragon Eye likes to move it, move it. Dragon Eye likes to move it, move it. They like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. Dragon Eye likes to move it, move it. Dragon Eye likes to move it, move it. Dragon Eye likes to move it, move it. They like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. Yo, this is the original Mad Stunt Man alongside Dragon Eye Sound. Toronto, Canada, you lad.